Welcome back to the channel. We're diving into something that truly brings warmth, joy, and magic into our lives: the importance, benefits, and overall impact of decorating your home for Christmas. If you've ever wondered why we go through all the effort every December to bring out the ornaments, hang the lights, and fill our spaces with festive cheer, stick around. Because once you realize how much this simple tradition can positively affect your home and your mindset, you'll never look at Christmas decorating the same way again. Let's start with the emotional and psychological benefits. Decorating your home for Christmas can instantly lift your mood. There's something about those sparkling lights, cozy textures, and familiar holiday scents that trigger nostalgic memories and feelings of comfort. It's like giving yourself permission to slow down, be present, and reconnect with the magic of childhood. Science even supports this. Decorating can release dopamine, the feel-good hormone, because it surrounds you with symbols of joy, togetherness, and celebration. And speaking of togetherness, decorating your home becomes a powerful way to bond with family and friends. Whether you're hanging ornaments with your kids, wrapping garland on the stairs with your partner, or simply playing holiday music while setting up the tree, these moments create shared experiences that turn into cherished memories. Even if you live alone, decorating can be an act of self-love. It tells your brain and your heart that this season matters and that you deserve beauty, peace, and a little magic, even if it's just for you. Another major benefit is the way it transforms your space. The atmosphere of a decorated home changes completely during the holidays. Warm lighting, festive colors, textured fabrics like plaid and velvet, it all adds depth and charm to your environment. Your living room suddenly feels like a holiday movie set, and even the simplest kitchen becomes a cozy haven with just a few Christmas touches. When your space looks festive, it invites people in. It becomes more welcoming, more intimate, more filled with joy. Guests feel it, your family feels it, and you do too. Now let's talk about traditions. Decorating is a ritual, and rituals give structure and meaning to our lives. Bringing out that same angel or star for the top of the tree every year, unboxing the handmade ornaments, setting up the nativity or menorah. These are not just decorations, they're symbols of continuity. In a world that can sometimes feel unpredictable, holiday decorating reminds us that some things remain constant. It helps keep family traditions alive and creates new ones for future generations. There's also the creative side of decorating that's so fun and satisfying. Choosing a theme, playing with color palettes, mixing old pieces with new, trying DIY projects. It's a way to express your personal style. You don't need to be a professional designer to enjoy it. Whether you like a classic red and green look, a winter wonderland vibe with silver and white, or something more rustic with natural elements like pine cones and burlap, there's no wrong way to decorate. It's about what makes you happy. Plus, seasonal decorating can be a stress reliever. It gives you something positive to focus on and a creative outlet during a time that can otherwise be overwhelming. Another awesome advantage is the way it enhances hospitality. When your home looks and feels festive, it becomes the perfect backdrop for entertaining. Whether you're hosting a big Christmas dinner, a cookie exchange, or just having friends over for hot cocoa and holiday movies, decorations set the tone. They help your guests feel welcomed and appreciated. It's a visual way of saying, I care about this moment and the people I share it with. And honestly, who doesn't love walking into a house that smells like cinnamon and looks like a Christmas card? Don't forget that decorating can even boost your productivity and motivation. It sounds strange, but once your environment feels festive and cozy, you're more likely to stay organized, keep things tidy, and enjoy being home. It helps shift your mindset from hustle mode to holiday mode. That can be incredibly helpful as you wrap up the year, reflect on your goals, and spend more intentional time with loved ones. Now, let me give you a few suggestions to make the most out of your Christmas decorating experience. First, start with a plan. Think about the vibe you want your home to have. Do you want something traditional, modern, elegant, whimsical? Pick a few main colors to stick with. That makes it easier to shop and decorate without getting overwhelmed. Red and gold give a rich, warm look. White and silver feel peaceful and clean. Green with natural elements feels earthy and timeless. Next, focus on a few key areas in your home. You don't need to decorate every single corner to feel the magic. Start with the tree, the fireplace if you have one, your front door, and maybe your dining table. These are the spots that make the biggest visual impact. Add cozy touches like throw blankets, holiday-themed pillows, candles, and fairy lights. Swap out some everyday decor with seasonal pieces, maybe a Christmas sign instead of your usual artwork, or a festive table runner in the kitchen. Don't be afraid to mix store-bought decorations with handmade items. Personal touches like framed holiday photos, your kids' crafts, or homemade wreaths add soul to your space. And speaking of wreaths, don't forget the outside of your home. A decorated porch or balcony welcomes people before they even step inside. String lights, a wreath on the door, or even just a festive doormat go a long way in creating holiday spirit. And as we continue, I want to remind you that Christmas decorating doesn't have to be expensive to be meaningful or beautiful. You don't need a huge budget to make your home feel magical. Some of the most charming decorations are the simplest. Think dried orange slices hanging from twine, mason jars filled with fairy lights, or pine branches gathered from your backyard and arranged in a vase. Even repurposing items you already have can give your space a fresh holiday look. It's all about using your creativity and putting your heart into it. One great tip is to layer textures and lighting. This adds depth and makes any space feel more inviting. Try combining soft throws with knitted pillows, wooden ornaments with glass baubles, matte finishes with shiny ones. And when it comes to lighting, don't underestimate the power of warm white string lights. They instantly add a cozy and calming atmosphere. Drape them around your windows, across a mantle, along a bookshelf, or even on your headboard. Candlelight also adds a peaceful glow. If you're worried about open flames, battery-operated candles work just as well and are super safe, especially if you have kids or pets. Scents also play a huge role in creating that Christmas feeling. Scented candles, essential oils, or even just simmering some cinnamon sticks, orange peels, and cloves on the stove can make your whole home smell like the holidays. Scent is deeply connected to memory, so creating those warm, familiar smells can bring a sense of calm, joy, and nostalgia that enhances everything you see and hear around you. And don't forget about the small, often overlooked spaces. Decorating a bathroom with just a festive hand towel, a mini wreath, or a little scented candle can make a big difference. Adding a small tree or some garland to your bedroom helps carry that Christmas magic throughout the entire house. It's these thoughtful touches that tie everything together and create a cohesive, immersive holiday experience. There's also something really rewarding about seeing the transformation of your home after decorating. It's like your space suddenly tells a different story, one that's filled with hope, generosity, and connection. Even during tough years, decorating can serve as a symbol of resilience. It says, no matter what's going on in the world, we're still choosing joy, we're still choosing to celebrate. And that message is powerful. That message is needed. One last piece of advice: make decorating a moment, not a chore. Light a candle, play your favorite Christmas playlist, sip on something warm, and take your time. Don't rush it. Let it be something you truly enjoy. And remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. The goal isn't to impress others. It's to create an environment where joy, love, and gratitude can grow. So if you've been debating whether or not to go all out with your holiday decor this year, I say go for it. Not because it's trendy or expected, but because it genuinely enhances your emotional well-being, deepens your family connections, and turns your house into a home full of light and warmth. Decorating for Christmas is more than just aesthetics. It's a celebration of life, love, tradition, and hope. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If this video inspired you, leave a comment below and let me know your favorite Christmas decoration tradition. And don't forget to subscribe for more cozy holiday content. See you next time, and happy decorating!